Excitability. We were discussing the properties of myocardium. Today we will be talking about the excitability. It is the ability of the heart muscle, that is myocardium, to respond to stimuli by generating action potential followed by contraction. We have here two cells, that is the nodal cell, sinoatrial node, which is a non-contractile myocardium, and another one is contractile myocardium, that is atrial muscle. The SA node is a pacemaker of the heart. When the SA nodal cell is depolarized due to slow influx of sodium ions, the depolarizing current, that is positive ion, moves to neighboring contractile myocardium through gap junction. The positive ion which has come from neighboring cells stimulate the opening of fast sodium channels. When the first sodium channels open up, sodium ion rush into the cells quickly and makes the cell positive inside, that is, the cell is depolarized. It means the cell is excited when the positive ion from the neighboring cells trigger the opening of fast sodium channels. Now the cell is depolarized. As soon as the cell is depolarized, voltage gated potassium channels open. Potassium ion leaves from the cell. The membrane potential drop. This is the early repolarization phase, denoted by phase 1. As soon as the voltage gated calcium channel opens, calcium ion comes in. Therefore, the outflux of positive ion, that is potassium, and influx of positive ion, that is calcium, is almost the same. Because of that, we get the plateau phase, that is phase 2. After a few milliseconds, the calcium channels are closed, but the potassium ion continues to leave, that is outflux of potassium continue till the membrane potential reaches its resting membrane potential. So the myocardial cells respond to the stimuli and are excited. This is between the non-contractile myocardium and contractile myocardium. In the same way, the positive ion moves from one nodal cell, that is non-contractile myocardium, to another nodal cell through gap junction. This is how the depolarizing current moves from one cell to another throughout the heart through gap junction. The depolarizing current moves from the SA node to all over the heart muscle through the gap junction, or the propagation of current to other parts. As the depolarizing current moves to the neighboring cells, that leads to depolarization all over the atrial and ventricular muscle. The pacemaker cells, that is SA node, is generating the action potential and propagating the depolarizing current through the conduction system of the heart, so that the current distributes throughout the heart and maintain the rhythm. Therefore, the heart muscle contracts at a rhythm. SA node takes the pace and maintain the heart rhythm. Refractory period of myocardium. When the heart muscle is in excitation, or when the cell is responding to a stimulus, and if the cell is under depolarization, then the cell will not receive any stimuli from neighboring cells. Whatever strong stimulus it may be, the cell will not respond to the stimulus. This period is called refractory period. This refractory period is divided into two, absolute and relative. It is impossible to excite a cell when it is in the absolute refractory period. However, when the cell is in the relative refractory period, a strong stimulus can excite the cell during their relative refractory period. Factors affecting the excitability. Sympathetic activity increases the excitability. Parasympathetic activity decreases the excitability. The increase of extracellular calcium ion concentration can increase the excitability. The increase of extracellular potassium ion decreases the excitability. Increase of temperature can increase the excitability. The decrease of temperature can decrease the excitability. The decrease of blood flow also decreases the excitability. The drugs like digitalis decrease the excitability of heart muscle. Thank you.